1. Break studying into sessions. I've heard this time and time again. Sitting at your desk for 3 hours straight looking at your textbook is not studying. Instead, break your studying time into smaller sessions. One session can be about 25 to 30 minutes each, and you can add a 5-minute break in between each session. From my own experience, I've found that the longest time that I can focus is 25 minutes, so that's how long my study sessions are. But yours can be longer or shorter, depending on your attention span. 2. Create a designated study area. I don't mind studying at the desk in my room, but my sister always studies at our dinner table in the dining room. She says that she focuses best when she studies there. Like her, designate an area where you can study best. It could be at a library, a nearby coffee shop, or even your living room couch. But avoid studying in your bed. You'll be tempted to get too comfortable and fall asleep. 3. Study actively. As I mentioned, reading a textbook blankly for 3 hours isn't studying. Instead, make flashcards or take notes, something that will keep your brain moving. 4. Summarize or teach what you learn. After you read a section in the textbook or take a batch of notes, try to summarize it in your own words and explain it to someone. You have to know accurately what you're trying to teach in order to explain it to someone. It could be a stuffed animal, younger sibling, or even the pillow on your bed. Try explaining as if you're teaching a lesson, and return to your notes and look over the parts that you weren't able to explain well. 5. Use mnemonics for studying facts. What is mnemonics? With mnemonics, you associate information that you want to remember with something you already know very well, like a picture, place, person, or word. This helps new information stick in the brain, and it also makes it easier for you to recall that information later. Try to create your own mnemonics when studying facts, especially for science and history courses. It can be silly and make no sense at all, but if it helps you to get the facts down, then it's working for you. So, if we summarize this video. 1. Break studying into multiple smaller sessions. 2. Create a designated study area. 3. Study actively rather than passively. 4. Summarize the things what you learn or teach someone. 5. And use mnemonics for studying facts for long memory. Subscribe to this channel and let me know which topic you are interested in for the next. Thanks for watching.